I would say I'm not much commercialized player. I'll tell you, more than people think. I'm a player towards cricket. Like, say instance, I'm not playing. I'm not in the team right now, but I'll still go for practice. As soon as you guys leave from here, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go to practice, even though no one is watching, even though no media is gonna be there. I'm still gonna go work my butt off. Whatever I need to work on to get me better, to become a better cricketer, I'll do that. So I don't think I'm a commercializer, a player or a cricketer, because see, if I'm a commercialized player, I won't go without media to practice. To be very honest, I think the commercialization is only going to help the game. Like for instance, Freddie Flintoff would have kept playing Test cricket now if the IPL would not have come. You know, that's what a lot of people think. I don't think what is it true. I really don't know what he thinks, what his body thinks. He only knows it. But a lot of other guys like Graham Onion and other guys would not have got chance to play in Test cricket for England. So it's in a way, hindsight, you know, a lot of youngsters going to get opportunities. So I think it's not going to harm. It's only going to benefit, because you will see a lot of youngsters like in IPL. You know, IPL has done the tremendous thing for Indian cricket, as well as a lot of Indian cricketers. Because see, it's in a way very harsh reality when you have to play only for country. Only 15 guys going to be playing after billions of people. And when you see IPL has come up, a lot of 8 teams are now. In the future, there's going to be 10 teams, and in the future, you don't know how many teams going to be there. But the more and more players going to get opportunity, the more and more players going to take it as a profession in terms of cricket. Obviously, they're going to love the game still, but still they're going to they can avoid some other things and fully concentrate on one game is cricket. So I think it's only a positive thing. If there is any harm, and I think properly giving you answer in terms of a lot of people want to associate like DLF and who doesn't have much to do with cricket. But in a way, if you look at any way in the world, especially in India, even if you go to Panwala, he has something to do with cricket. He wants to give advice to the cricket, so they love cricket, and I think everyone wants to associate with this game. And by that, the money's been created. I don't think so there is anything wrong. See, money is, yes, money is important. There is, if I'll say no, I'll just look for the good brand and no, money is important, I'll be lying. Yes, money is important, but have to have a good brand, combination. Like, see, I have a Reebok as one of the sponsors, one of the contract I have with Reebok. Why Reebok? Because there are a lot of other cricket companies as well, but why Reebok? Reebok because they're very helpful to the youngsters. Like, say for instance, I live in Baroda, and in a small town, and there are a lot of cricketers who are coming up. If I want any like a shoes, track pant or gloves or bat, if I ask them, they will. They won't say no to me. I'm not asking for myself, for the youngster. They'll say yes. So they are ready to help. The other company like Larsen, which I contract, he was the same company who was ready to help the youngsters as well. So I look for those quality as well as then I can associate with. I can help somebody. My company, where I'm associated with, should help as well. So I think those sort of qualities I look for it, and there are a lot of other qualities as well. That brand shouldn't be, putting a wrong information about me as well as themselves towards the crowd. They shouldn't say something which they can't do in terms of publicly to create bad image for me and for themselves as well. So I look for that aspect as well. I talk to my agent about it, and they're pretty important. Like, say for instance, I won't sign a deal like any beer or wine or any other company which has alcohol. I won't sign the contract, because that's my belief and that's me. So I won't sign that. So I look for those things which are very important for me. See, I think I'm a very satisfying person in that sense. Personally, there are a lot of cricketers, a lot of players there. I know, they're not pretty happy with the agent, and they change their agents as well. And some of the people, they do work directly. I'm not like that, man. I'm pretty happy whatever I get. If you're good, you're gonna get some contracts as well. Money is in a way, when you play sports, the money comes, and no one's gonna say no. I'm no difference as well. I'm not crave for extra. But when it comes, you don't have to say no. You don't have to go in a different level or maybe do wrong things to get the money. So my main agenda at that time to have totally focus on my game, and rather than worrying about all the other aspects of the games, like when the commercials money going to come in, and when I have to worry about, and when I have to go and calls to call to the companies and try to get a contract or anything like that. So I wanted to be away from those worries and focus on my game. That's why I opted. Sometimes like our sponsors, one of the sponsors have something to do with the television show, which has music, dance, and everything. You have to do that as a part of your contract. Sometimes even if you don't want to do it, you have to do it, even though you don't enjoy it. To be very honest, when I did that, see, I'm not a good dancer. Everyone show that when the show came on the air. Why I did that show? My agent's wife. I've been there with my agent for 6 years now, and 6 to 7 years now. So when my agent's wife was involved, he was involved in the. She was involved in the program. She was actually trying to. She has some share in it, and because of the relationship which I had with my agent, I had to do that show. BCCI and IPL has done wonderful job in terms of cricket has come up in India, and I think the game is becoming global. So one of the reason is Indian country. The Indian country has made and Indian people has made this game global, and it's going to be the most responsible people from anywhere in the world. It's going to be Indian people and Indian BCCI and IPL and all the franchisee who's going to make the game global. A lot of people, one of the very positive, a lot of people and a lot of fanatic people towards the cricket, and I think that's why, and I'll definitely give credit to BCCI and IPL in that, because and one most very important thing I'll like to give credit to them is not only the money, but at the same time a lot of youngsters gonna get the chance. See, I don't think the media has been very critical towards the BCCI, and I don't think so that's the case. If you have power, yes, Indian BCCI and everyone, even you want to become powerful when it comes to your country's name, and I think BCCI is becoming a strong power in world cricket. Why not, man? It's a good thing for not only for BCCI, but BCCI is related to Board of Cricket Control in India. So I think it's end of the day, it's coming towards our country as well. That the business behind the sports, which is actually driving a lot of youngsters to come up and play the game. In a way, yes, that is what has been happening, which has started happening already. But to be succeed at that level, at the international level or a big level, you need to have that force, desire from within to play, and actually not to think about too much money, but actually to and do well and try to show your talent, what God has given you, and work hard for that. I think if you're not going to have that thing in your in your heart and in your mind, you're not going to succeed for long. The money is going to come for very little. So I think I'll advise all the youngsters actually. A lot of people have to do what they enjoy doing the most, which is most importantly. But at the same time, they should have the desire to do really well and to succeed, and then think about money. If you're going to first think about money, and then you're going to think about success, then you're going to think about the results. The money is not going to stay for long. Money might come for short term, but not for long term.